Hey, this is Robert McMurray. I just finished up Saturday C2E2. I just left a little review before. This is a little bit longer review and unboxing of the goodies I received. I think this is slightly better than Indiana. Unlike the ones in Southern California I've been to, it's a lot less crowded as in Chicago, but it has more interesting panels and more to do than the Indiana Comic Con. And yeah, I highly recommend it. Most likely I will come next year. Yeah, so let me just show you some of the stuff. Oh yeah, and tip. I found this out today. I wish I knew about it yesterday. Lot B is cheaper than A or C. Yesterday I parked in Lot A. Today, Lot B. So I'm going to remember that for next time when I come up to an event for here. Okay, so now let's get to the goodies. First, we have an autograph poster, a hard poster. See, it's nice and supported, all ready for my wall. For the new movie, Daphne and Velma. There's another video where I'm going to give a review about it, which will be posted after this one. But it comes out on digital, Blu-ray, and DVD May 22nd. So please check it out and watch the review video. I will try to, as best as I can, to avoid spoilers. I might missing a few small Easter eggs. So warning when you watch that. And now let's get, first, I got a mystery box, which is a little torn up right now. So let me show you what was in this one. So a little Walking Dead like necklace. There's a mini poster for 2 mini posters included of the hit show Gotham, which I really like this show. I might keep this for myself and get the mini posters framed so I can put on my wall. So what we have here, a mystery Godzilla figure, and it might be any one of these. So this is a company. I worked with them before in Anaheim. Great company. I recommend checking them out. Let me see. Oh, one of my favorite shows, Big Bang Theory. Kind of a necklace thing. So, knock, 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 penny. You know, his OCD type of situation. So there's some Darth Vader gloves. And I never got into this, but basically, it's one of those spinning things for Batman. I tried one before, never got really into it. Okay, here is a Superman pin. And look, a Thundercats Postcard. So, another mystery bag I got. There's a Ruler Walking Dead Plus, like Tombstone. An alien action figure. So that's awesome, and it looks like they did a fantastic job. It almost reminds me of the old movies and everything. Oh, look at this. My Little Pony trading cards. Box. Okay, so not too sure what this is. It looks like it's just an advertisement for all the different Star Wars books, published by Little Golden Books. So this is okay, I guess. It would have been better if it was like a mini story. Here is a little mystery Ghostbuster fig. It could be any one of those figs inside, or so yeah. Look, Nick Fury. Okay, this is a picture of me from earlier at like the Mutant Energy Drink booth. I got my picture taken with Aloha's dad, Stanley promoting the next Deadpool movie. Okay, these are like, yeah, Justice League tarot cards. So there's Aquaman. There's a Joker. There's the Flash. As people know, I'm a big Flash fan. And these look like trading cards. So Harley Quinn. Joker again. And then like a Batman with a Joker face. That's kind of gruesome. Okay, so that's it of the mystery items. So let's continue on. This is awesome. They had these set up there. It's basically like a pimp. It's set up to be like an old school pinball game, but with monitor, so you can change the theme, like maybe Star Wars theme or whatever you are interested in. The DC booth was giving these away, like superhero girls comics. Okay, a teacher in Indiana created his own line comics called Solution Squad. From what I understand, each member of the Solution Squad has basically a math-related power, and basically in the issues, he tries. You basically learn math or science related stuff with them, which I think is awesome. So I recommend looking this up. And if you can, get your hands on copies of this, because it's a great way for you to maybe improve your skills, or maybe buy it for your kids or grandkids, and you'd be almost like tricking them into learning some math or science skills. So yeah, here's another one. Okay, I got this from the Dark Horse booth, Predator. I'm not sure where I got this, but it's like a Serenity thing. I think that was also Dark Horse. I got this from Marvel. Yeah, was it Marvel booth. This Defenders, free Marvel item. Another Defenders. Another one. Wait, that's not DC. That's from DC booth. Sorry. Okay. Coupon for AMP. So this is Dark Horse again. So Aliens. Classic. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, sorry. I wish I had a tripod with me now. So, Angel, Dark Horse again. And I used to love watching this series, so. Yeah, Buffy, Angels are always fantastic. So, we have, speaking of which, Buffy. Here's one of her comics. Okay, there's a horror streaming service. And for signing up for the free trial, they gave me some socks promoting it. It's called Shuddered, SHUDDER. So please look that up. There was a great booth that was having comic book related jewelry. So yeah, there's the web address right there if you want to check them out. I somehow got free pair of glasses. Okay, I won a free bag of popcorn at local Chicago movie theater. I might come back up here in the future, go there and all that stuff. There's a great year-round costume shop in Chicago. So I might be, check that out. Okay, and like this was Marvel schedule. So too late for that. Got another sketch pad to sketch out some ideas or whatever. This, I'm just trying to go through here because I know you guys want to watch others. Ooh, I got a 2018 calendar, Marvel Legacy. So a lot of Avengers and everyone else. Here's a spotlight. Some golf pencils. I believe that's what they are. I haven't opened up the other box. Here is more information about the pin booth thing I told you guys about, the web address and everything. And there's some details right there, which I hope you guys can see. Medieval times, I highly recommend going to one of these restaurants if you are near one. Anything else? That's, yeah, the rest of the stuff was in my pocket. So, yeah, that looks like it. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And just a moment, I'll be uploading the video, which will be review of Daphne and Velma. So, please keep an eye out on that. I will record that video once this video is uploaded.